Yo guys, so before we get started with anything in this video, I wanted to show you guys something really simple. There's a lot of people out there, including you, who might be wanting to import something from Japan. Japanese parts are authentic and they're very cool. A lot of people think it's really, really complicated, and today I just wanted to take a quick moment to just show you guys how easy it is to actually find something from the homeland. So right now, I'm on this site called JD & Buyer. These are the guys that actually are importing my car. These are the guys we're going to see today for what I have top secret for you. Before you start, they actually have a really detailed page explaining to you guys how to bid. So currency, like the exchange rate, they literally explain everything to you. So if you need a really detailed explanation, it's super easy. But the best place to start is to go to Yahoo Auctions, but in Japan. I use Chrome for this because they automatically translate, which is really nice. Now, for a second, let's go ahead and pretend I'm buying this Toyota Supra. So let's see, Supra TRD. Let's say I want to get some authentic TRD part for this. So if I want to get a TRD dash, I want to get a TRD steering wheel, a TRD wing, boom. So here's a TRD style wing. If I want to buy this, so say I want that wing, I'm going to go to jdandbuyer.com/bid. All you got to do is copy and paste. If you don't know how to copy and paste, probably go back to first grade computer class, paste, maximum bid in US dollars. So say I want to pay, let's say $500 for that wing, and then you submit it. It's literally that easy. If you want to make this process the easiest possible, go to jdandbuyer.com/bid and they'll do all the work for you. A lot of people think importing stuff from Japan is the hardest thing in the world. It's not. JD & Buyer makes it easy and they do all your work for you. It's time to put out the PlayStation. Spider-Man's gonna have to save the city another day. We got a surprise from Japan today, brother. Isn't that right, dude? Yeah, stuff from Japan is the coolest. As for the Lexus, whenever the big turbo build is done, whenever the car starts, I want it to look good again. And after drifting as much as I have, I've kind of just sent it, and this bumper looks disgusting. It's peeling and needs to be repainted, so we're gonna be dropping this off at Get Dipped again today. He's done this car, he's done this car, he's done this car. Wow, that's bright. There we go, that car. Ooh, we're at the headquarters right now. Oh, there's Trevor. Hi, Trevor. We got some stuff from Japan. A nice surprise from Japan today. And we're gonna walk around and let you guys guess for a minute, because he's got some really, really cool stuff out here. Digging your short shorts, dude. You're looking nice.
Yeah, thanks. Showing off my quads, you know. You can park here if you want.
Okay, cool.
I don't think this guy has to move.
Man, right off the bat, could this be the secret from Japan? I don't know. It's not the secret from Japan. As much as I love RX-7s, I think it's definitely the wrong time, because there's only 4,000 channels building these on YouTube right now. But some of my favorite cars, dude. This one just get off the boat. Awesome, dude. So these are the guys that are importing the car from Japan. My car that I'm importing, we finally just got pictures of it last night at the yard, and it almost brought tears to my eyes because it's such a beautiful setup. But nice. Let's go see my surprise. They got so much stuff. Yo, look at this. Look at how many skylines are here. And oh my God. Wow, you got a setup going on here, dude. Oh my God. My surprise is somewhere in here. Ooh. Yo, could this be it, dude? Could this be the surprise? You know, it's funny, I'm used to walking up to, in America, this side of the car and like, oh, the driver's side. But nah, babe, are you ready to be sitting on this side of the car whenever I drive? Oh, this makes me hyped for no reason at all. Oh man. So these are all for sale, right? This one's for sale, the purple one's for sale? It's a piece? You said this one's a piece? Nobody...
Well, it had a bunch of wiring problems when I first got it, and I fixed them all. And
yeah, I remember the last time I was here, this is... Good stuff.
There we go.
Yep.
Oh, you guys gotta see this. Hardtop for a Miata. You guys are stacked over here. Skyline hood. Man, holy crap. Some Volks? Some teeny tiny Volks. Some Work VS, some SSRs. Dog, you're stacked over here with some cool ass parts. Found it? Oh. Alright, I'll reveal you guys what the surprise is. There are these wheels. Surprise, I got a Miata. No, I'm just, whoa! What do you guys think it is? What do you guys think it is? Wow, that's a big box. I feel like that's a really big box for these. That's the squishiest box I've ever seen in my life. It's just paper. It's a paper box. Okay, so if anybody out here with a JZZ30 chassis, if you want this, okay, so we've got an extra one sitting right over there. If you want these that I'm about to unbox, hit up JD and Buyer. Oh, white things. Those are actually really light. Fiberglass. Good old fiberglass. Something about getting authentic parts. It's so exciting and rewarding, even for a car that hits the wall. Okay. Yeah! It's like Big Boy Christmas. Big Boy Christmas is better than Little Kid Christmas. Here we go, boys. Finally, you got your stamp of authenticity. These are just a standard replacement for the ones I have, but they're vented, and they're from Japan, so double cool. These are stage 21 fenders, and that's pretty much it. We're going to be dropping, oh, these are already sanded and everything.
Yeah.
So these have to obviously match the rest of the car as well. So these are something we're going to be dropping off, get dipped today, but let me just set it down. So these, these look really cool. I'm really excited about these, particularly because the SC300 has metal fenders. Psyched to give the car a little bit more style. So once these are finished painting and everything like that, we will have to drill through and install them. It should be super, super easy. It looks like there's like 7 places you drill and you take it out. So this will be nice, dude. I am very, very excited. So these guys obviously have a lot of stuff here in stock, like ready to sell. Just go in the description and use the link that I have and just check out their site. I'm just gonna fill you guys in. I need 3 more cars to get my car here, my Skyline here, to get it here sooner. So I'm just saying, if you guys wanna import a car, get in my crate so we can get this car here faster. Or if you have somebody that wants to import something, tell them to get it now through JDM Buyer so they can go in my crate so we can get this here as soon as possible. Or it's gonna be like December, January till it's here. So I'm just saying. Catch you later. Bye, Trevor. Hey, that worked. There you go, boys. Stop numero dos. We're out here at Get Dipped again. I can't wait to see, so they just dipped this Audi, which is really cool. Oh, the Z's not here, man. So they just dipped their shop Z, and that looks really cool. But I guess Brett's is okay too. Dropping off everything to get redone in a massive, beautiful pink. And then after this, we're gonna be going to Formula Drift for a little bit. I can't wait to have this redone. At least it stayed on there nice. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, it's just like new. So the cool thing about the fender... Yeah, as with Sig, probably just do a little prepping on that little inside.
Yeah, because that's probably why, because it's just so slick.
It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. Well, cool. I'm excited to have it look nice again. Oh, I forgot it was black, dude.
It's fun, it isn't.
It's so, especially on this poly, it's probably just gonna come right off with no issues. Oh, it's the best. I'm gonna start dipping my cars just to peel it off, because it's fun. All right, time to head out to FD.
Seriously.
Yeah, next year. Appreciate you, bro. Let's go. Here, baby. I'm gonna park by my buddy in this Subaru out in the No Day Squad. We're gonna park out here in the No Day Squad. And I'm not gonna be filming too much. I actually don't know anything about public spectating and Formula Drift, so I'm gonna get a little bit of footage, but I'm just gonna enjoy it. A little night with the wife and a lot of tire smoke and good smells. That was a lot of fun. What's also fun is I'm not wearing pants right now, so I'm very comfortable. Guys, before you start watching a new video or anything like that, real quick, just for me, will you just check out JDM Buyer, check out their site, browse around, see if you want to use it, get familiar with it, and also buy a car and put it in my crate so that my car can get here faster. That would be wonderful as well. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I have a hectic few weeks coming up. I'm gonna be at H2O in Ocean City next week, not this weekend, but next weekend. So I feel like I've got so much stuff to do. We got a bunch to do with the Lexus, and now I'm bidding on the Supra, and then a lot of stuff. I had a lot of fun today. I had a really good time meeting you guys. There's a lot of people we met and hung out with at FD, and it was just a fun event. I've never been to an FD before, so it was tight. Thank you for watching. Peace out. See you tomorrow. Be victorious.